All right, welcome back today here to the Steel City Break Room. Up next, got a couple boxes of baseball here going to Andrew. 2013 Topps Tribute World Baseball Classic, 2011 Topps Marquee, and 2 boxes of 2011 Legendary Cuts. All right, let's get started here on 2011 Marquee. Thanks again, and good luck. Let's see what we got inside of here. 2011 edition. All right, we got CC Sabathia out of 99. Eddie Murray, Jose Bautista, Evan Longoria, and an autograph of Heath Bell, numbered 5 of 190. Next up, Shin-Soo Choo out of 299. Brian Wilson, Justin Verlander, Christy Mathewson, and a redemption Tyson Ross autograph. Got Brett Anderson out of 199. Brett Anderson base. Dustin Pedroia, Ryan Zimmerman. And a quad relic, Mark Teixeira. Game time mementos out of 199. Alright, starting off this last one, Ryan Sandberg out of 299, David Price, Ryan Sandberg base, Reggie Jackson, and a jumbo jersey swatch, Albert Pujols, Titanic Threads, 66 of 99. All right, what's up next? All right, let's do the 2 boxes of Legendary Cuts. Hopefully we can step it up here. This is what I need to open. All right. Every card is a cut sig. Should be something good in this. All right, first up, Lester Lockett cut sig. Lester Lockett. Numbered 8 of 8. Next box of legendary cuts. Those were the last ones. Got a dual cut sig, Waite Hoyt and Bob Musel from the 1927 Yankees. And that is numbered 3 of 5. Waite Hoyt and Bob Musel. All right, next up, last box here, 2013 Tribute World Baseball Classic Edition. One autograph or relic in each pack. All right, first up, Gio Gonzalez, Shinosuke Abe, Daiho Lee, 3 of 5. Autograph card, Yao Lin Wang, 12 of 15. And Yao Sun Yang. Next up, Chen Ming Wang, Miguel Cabrera, autograph card, Andrelton Simmons. Next up, Eddie Rosario and Resbo Arobarena. Next pack, Brandon Phillips. Next up, we have a patch card, Elvis Andrus, 77 of 79. Piece of Venezuela jersey, Elvis Andrus. Martin Prado and Kazuo Matsui. Next pack, Ross Detweiler, Joe Mauer. Patch card, Che Wan Lin, 8 of 35. That's going to be a swatch from, I believe that's Chinese Taipei. Jersey swatch there out of 35. And Carlos Santana. Next pack, Jolius Chassin, Robinson Cano. Next autograph, Ross Detweiler, 31 of 35. Salvador Perez and Jae Wong So. Last pack there, Jose Reyes, Jimmy Rollins. Autograph card, Miguel Montero. R.A. Dickey, and Joey Votto. All right, AP, thanks for breaking with us. Get everything shipped out to you later today.